So as you're about to see in a second, this video is not a recent one. It was taken quite a bit ago actually, but I still wanted to get it out there, and I just never really got the chance until right now. And it's been a while since I actually posted anything about my car, and I miss it, so wanted to get something out real quick. But yeah, quick update. Doing good. New chemos, kicking my butt, but we're going ahead. But we got it. We got it. So here you go. It's actually 2 videos kind of just clumped together, but I don't know. I hope it's still cool. Enjoy. Hey, what's up, guys? So today is a pretty cool day. I'm going to try to talk about cancer as little as possible because I don't want my entire channel to just be focused around that. But today, I'm meeting some people. We're just going to Starbucks to hang out, and but what makes that day cool is I am in my 2004 350Z. Now what makes that cool and what makes this video so special is when I found out about all this and when I started getting sick, this car was not legal on the road. The reason why it's on the road, and the reason why I have to give a huge shout out to my dad, is because while I was sick, getting surgeries, biopsies, and all that stuff, and just in bed and just in bad health, he actually took it upon himself to finish up the work that needed to be done and put this thing on the road, so when I was back on my feet, I could drive it. And that means the absolute world to me. That is one of the coolest things anybody's ever done for me, ever. And I'm so grateful, and I just have to give him the biggest of shout outs because he knows how much I love cars. He knows how much I love this car. And to be able to get through the first couple days of chemo, get through my surgeries and everything that I had to go through, and jump in this car and just drive it down. Like, look at this view. Look at this view. It's fall. We're starting to get some nice yellow trees and stuff, and it's just a beautiful view. And so, like, this is what calms me. This is what makes me feel relaxed. And he knew that, and he took it upon himself to make sure that I could do that. And that's just huge. But right now I'm on my way to meet up with a few people to just hang out and drink some Starbucks. But I came up with this idea probably a couple months ago, and it was when, I didn't realize it at the time, but when the lymphoma started taking an effect on my body, and I started, like, my mental state changed, my, like, physical state started changing, and I didn't understand what was going on. And I was just like, I was looking for anything to kind of build my spirits. And I knew that this car would be on the road soon. So I asked a few friends who also have, like, just fun JDM or like American, just fun cars. People who have fun cars, and we could, if they wanted to, every weekend, every other weekend, whatever, just jump in those cars that we don't always get the chance to drive and go out to Starbucks, go out to wherever, and just meet up and, like, hang out, talk, and then maybe go for a drive afterwards. And that's exactly the plan for today. And so I'm on my way there. I'm gonna meet up with those guys, and then we'll continue from there.
And clapping, and it said hit me up for a full detail, and then clap. My favorite.
Hit Ben up for a full detail.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down the fire one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do
What's up, guys? It's been a little while since we really did anything to the Z. We had the one-day race car build. We had a couple videos of getting this thing ready for getting things moving with it, making it what we know it can be, what I want it to be. Today, we're getting back into the Z. So if you've been on my channel, if you're new, welcome. IamDylin. But if you've been on my channel, you know I've been battling cancer for a couple months now, and this car is kind of my escape from all of that. And got a couple things actually coming up in the near future to finally like start making this car what I want, rather than just being on the road being a stock Z. Yeah, this is a stock, almost completely stock Z. It has an NVIDIA catback exhaust that I actually managed to get for free because we went looking for some like body panels and stuff at a junkyard and found it, and the owner told us, you know, he never really has anybody looking for those things, so just take it. So that was an awesome find. But today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber GT wing, and I got a few other things I wanted to do to it, just small little things. I don't know if I'll film them or not, but the main thing is the wing. So we're gonna get to that. Let me just add that a wing was not one of the first things I was gonna do to this car, but when a carbon fiber wing pops up in your Facebook Marketplace for like an insane deal, you buy it. So here we are.
Let's show you what a good time is like. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes up, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So basically what we're dealing with now is we got holes, but we gotta be able to get our fingers up in there to get washers and nuts on. Oh, and for all the car guys watching this, you'll enjoy the fact that it started with
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I'll let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Does it sound like fun? You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
we just gotta tighten this thing down, and then we'll be able to get some better shots of it. But
Can't believe it's pulling these on my kid's core.
I love it. I love it so much. We're gonna get rid of the lip spoiler when we do the body work on the car though. But there's 4 holes here, and I just don't really want water and stuff getting in the trunk. But yeah, this will go away. This will go away, and then it'll look real clean. But I love it. Oh, it looks so good.
I was just confused what was going on.
And then I got
Fall out, so.
Ben's doing a tour of the house. Yeah.